A for 1.
Oh, I'm never very good at these because maybe I was thinking the opposite. I put D, so maybe I marked that wrong. I don't know.
Spencer, you didn't do 1. Oh, okay. Well, I guess if both of you say D, then I will switch my answer to D. Do you have like any explanation for it, or because I may or may not have been guessing?
Results from
Even oh, okay. 2, I got D. So did Spencer. What did you get?
Same.
Okay. 3, I got B.
Yep.
4, I got C.
Oh boy. Well, I got B.
And Spencer got D.
I think I got that because it said something about zero. So if the Fed's target interest rate is falling as far as it can fall, I guess I was thinking it was zero, so it'd be a liquidity trap. I think that's what I was thinking.
4.
But I wouldn't trust me because,
I
yeah.
think you just read 3, not 4.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh, then I have no idea what I was thinking. Okay, so
Yeah. If the Federal Reserve increases the money supply, then initially people want to do something, and so I thought it was like buying bonds because like if there's more money in the market, then they're more willing to buy things. But so is it the interest rate rises or falls? Is the golden question. Oops. So more bonds. So if it has like if there's a larger supply, then okay, there'll be lower interest rate of the bonds. Okay, gotcha. All right. It's kind of a bummer you can't speak today because you're like our teacher.
right.
um, 5, I got A.
Same,
6, I got A.
same.
7, I also got A.
Yep.
I sound like 60s mom. I'm sure that's a great voice. Um,
While that would be entertaining, I guess it probably would be very fun for you.
I guess. um, 8, I got C.
Same. So according to the increase in the price level,
um, because the money
oh,
supply curve is always straight up and down in all the diagrams, then wouldn't it be downward sloping is demand, not the money supply curve? Did you read that wrong? Okay.
so we're thinking C?
8 is C.
Okay.
9, I got A.
9, I wasn't sure. I had D.
Okay. Following events could explain a shift to the money demand curve from MD1, MD2.
And,
Um, I'm wondering if this was something I read right out of the text. What did you think it was?
D, but I have a question mark by it. So,
Okay. An increase in the cost of borrowing. I don't.
um, by the way, 11. Good to know.
I guessed a lot on these two.
Yeah, I'm not very good at this.
Yeah. I think I read that the price level would go down, or like it would cause like one of the reasons it shifts Okay. What axis?
So my thing is number 9, they say a shift in the money demand curve. Oh, maybe that's where I got it wrong. Because I think I was thinking the AD curve, not the MD curve. So
Okay.
okay.
Yeah. Because, yeah, I'm pretty sure right somewhere that like would cause the shift is the price level. So,
Okay.
and yeah, like Spencer said, wherever it is on the y-axis is where the price level goes. So if it goes down, then yeah.
Okay.
Okay, and 10 I got C, but you got B.
10 I was really confused on because I don't know. I guess nothing seemed to totally match up for me because I thought all of those things listed were the opposite, that all of those things, if the price level went up, then all those things went down. If the price level went down, then all those things went up. So I think probably really confused.
Yeah, I thought the same thing, and then I read somewhere, okay. Hold on, I think I found the thingy. So a lower price level reduces the amount of money people want to hold. So lower price level means that like the demand goes down.
Okay.
And then oh, I lost my place. Oh, found it. So that would also mean that the interest rate would go down, investment go up. And so wait, nope, that's not right. Hold on, I read the wrong spot. Oh, if the price level increases, everything will increase with it except for quantity demanded. So I just like reverse that. So C, everything is down with the price level. So price level is down, demand equilibrium, except for the quantity demanded is up. So it's just the inverse of something that I read in the textbook.
Okay, read that part again to me again. I'm sorry. So if price level goes.
Yeah, so in the textbook it specifically says if the price level increases, then so will the demand and the interest rate, but then the quantity demanded will go down. So the quantity demanded is always the opposite of price level, right?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so if it's always the opposite, everything else goes with the price level. So increase in price level increases money demand, increases interest rates, but the quantity demanded will always go down with the price level goes up. So if you just like inverse that, so if the price level goes down like on C, then the demand will go down with it, the equilibrium and interest rate will also go down, but the quantity of goods and services demanded will increase.
Except on C, if you notice, the arrows are to the left of whatever it is. So that price level is going up, is it not? The demand for money is going down. The equilibrium rate is going down. The quantity of goods and services is going down.
On C?
Yeah, so C, so does it not look like the arrows are to the left of whatever it's referring to?
No. The arrows that it's talking about are the arrows that are right after. So the price level and then it has the arrow right afterwards.
Then that means there's only 3 arrows for 4 things.
No, there's 4 arrows. Do you want me to screen share and show you?
Yeah, because I guess I'm not sure which arrow is pointing to what then, because it looks like the price level arrow is under it.
Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, it's not moving over. Naturally, my computer doesn't want to work. Okay. So I think it's C. So if you have price level, it's going down. And then the demand for money is also going down. And then equilibrium interest rate is also going down.
Oh, it goes around the, oh.
And then the quantity of goods and services demanded is.
That's what messed me up is because I'm a dork, but the arrow was under it. I didn't think about the wrapping. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Got it?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. Wow, that's just, okay. Perfect. Thank you for making that clear.
Yeah, no problem. Got you back.
Thank you. Okay, sorry. I didn't mean to stick us on one thing for so long.
You're good. 11, I'm also guessing as Spencer's guessing. I got A though.
I got B.
Okay, you both got B. Um,
So the reason why I say B, this is the one I was thinking of. So as price level rises, if you remember, it doesn't actually cause a shift. A price level
mhm.
causes your movement to move along the actual line rather than shift the entire line over.
Gotcha, the basic supply and demand stuff.
Yeah.
That was like so long ago, I'm forgetting the rules.
I can't remember what I read last week, so.
Great.
Right.
12. I don't know how you got B, Spencer, but I got A, and then I'm also can't decide if C might be the right answer either.
And I'm not even sure how to work that. So I would love some help.
Okay. I divided something. That's all like I know.
Well, I know if you divide the first one, you get 6.5. If you divide the second one, it's not 0.664. It was like 0.659 or something, I thought.
So that's why I'm like, I don't know if they want it to be the exact or not, because if you round up, 0.659 is 0.64, but then I don't know how they got the 4, so that's why I'm wondering if it's just like, because I got A, but I don't know, like, do you add them and that's how you would get like the 0.75 or the 0.8?
Even if you add them, it was like 0.814 or something like that. So I think I'm just not understanding the formula for this.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm not sure either. These math ones on this one are kind of hard. And I've lost the formula. I don't remember where I put it. Okay. Yeah, I don't know. I just know that I somehow got A exactly, and then I was torn on C, but yeah, I don't know.
Well, I guess we might have to look at it again. I just didn't think the lesson was very clear on, like, it tells you how to use the MPC, but it wasn't super clear on how you get that.
Right. And like what formula to actually use.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I don't know, it could be one of the videos on the assignment will have more information on it.
Oh, that's right. Yes, because I forget about those.
So maybe we'll have to look into that to figure out these math ones.
Okay. Sounds good.
Okay.
13, I was thinking was D.
Yeah, I was picking C or D for 13. Because one day I picked C and then the next day I picked D. So I don't remember what my why, but money demand. Wait. Interest rate. Oh, like that previous question, which was it? 10?
Okay. Yes.
So like yeah, I think it does fall. I think that's correct, Spencer. But and like on 10 when it says like, the price level is the same as money demanded interest rate, whatever. If money demanded interest rate rise and fall like either together, whatever, then it would probably be D. Because if the demand is falling, the interest rate will also fall.
It makes sense to me. Sometimes.
Does that seem to make sense to you, Spencer? Well, who was picking D for that one? 14, I got A.
14, I didn't really understand how to
do that. What's the formula? Because I apparently didn't write it down for some reason. MPC is 0.8. Isn't it that you just multiply 120 by 0.8 and then add that to the 120? 'Cause I think that's how I got the 216.
If you 120 times 0.8 is like 96.
Okay, and then if you add that 120 to the 96,
216.
yeah, so that's how I got that. But I could definitely be wrong.
Then would eventually shift the demand curve to the right by
how much? There's no crowding out or accelerator effect, so I won't have
assumption.
anything too crazy. I don't know.
I think you're. What is that?
A website, Investopedia.
Oh, to figure out the. See, and I started to read that, and I still couldn't totally make sense of that. Would be 0.2. Consider to save. Okay, so then so we're talking about number 12, Spencer?
14.
Oh, okay. Well, I didn't know if he was talking about 12 too, because isn't that part of the. Yeah, okay. So you'd use that for 12 too to get your answer.
So just MPC in general. Okay.
Okay, I'll take a closer look at that answer.
Because you said 14 was C, Spencer. So how did you get C then? Did you, is there a formula in there that you use specifically?
An initial increase. Oh, what? Okay, hang on. I think I see.
Mm-hmm.
Well, if the initial increase of
MPS
rises 20.
Oh, marginal propensity to save. Huh. I don't know. I know 12, 14, and 15 were hard.
Yeah, that's where I'm getting myself in trouble, I think.
I didn't get 15 at all.
No, I didn't either.
No.
I'm just confused. I'm confused by them having two. Consumption and spending is yada yada. Consumption and spending, like they have two of them. So I'm not quite sure if that's like a.
Like 2 different years or whatever.
Yeah, I'm not sure really what to do with them.
Yeah, and I don't know how to calculate how it increases by 1500 either. So I don't know.
0.8.
So do we want to try and figure these one cold medicine numbers are mixing for you. Do we want to try and figure out these math ones on our own then, or does anyone have any ideas on how to solve them? Because I have no idea. I was just plugging in numbers until I got an answer that was listed. That's literally all I did.
Shifted to the right. Yeah, we might have to, because I'm not sure what the answer is for that.
Okay. I'm gonna check out the number. Okay. Sounds good. What did you get for 16?
I got D for 16.
Same. And 17?
And 17 and 18. Sorry.
So 16, 17, 18, 16, 17. Okay, I did the same. And then 19. Wow. I said A or D, so obviously I'm all over the place. So why do you say C?
I don't know. I'm sure. I just get super confused on these things. So I really should write notes as to why my thought process is, and maybe that would help me when I take the test. So I stopped failing it.
I'm just shooting for a C in the class.
Right. Well, I have a C minus, so I am borderline even passing it.
Right. With an increase of government expenditure, changing it. So government expenditure meaning like the government either like increasing purchases and money supply as well as decreasing that would be able to like change the unemployment rate, you mean? I feel like I'm talking to Siri. Okay.
That's kind of where I was at.
All right, then let's do that. And what did you get for C? Or I mean 20.
I have the same thing.
C?
Yes.
All right, I do too.
Okay, so just a few that we didn't totally agree on, right?
Yeah, it's just mostly the number math ones that were throwing us curveballs, really. So,
okay.
Just figure those out. And yeah.
Okay, sounds good. Same time next week. Do we have one more?
I don't know if we do or not. I can check really fast. I don't think we do because I haven't seen anything. I think next week should just be the test, but
hopefully.
Yeah, because I don't want to do anything more.
Right? I am going to be studying like crazy and seeing if I can somehow make some sort of sense.
Right. 14 is just the test.
Okay.
Yep.
Sounds good. Well, thanks everybody for your help with all this amazing stuff.
Right. Wishing everyone the best of luck with finals and the rest of the semester.
You too.
All right.
Okay, I will go ahead and submit this. So thanks everybody.
Okay. Bye.
Bye. Bye, Spencer.